Welcome to Brain Vision.
For this problem, on the topic of kinematics of particles, we are shown a highway and we want to find the smallest radius of that highway so that the normal component of acceleration of a car traveling at a given speed is not to exceed 0.8 meters per square second. And the given speed of the car is 72 kilometers per hour. Now we know the normal component of acceleration, an, is equal to the square of the speed, v squared, over the radius, rho. Now an, we know, is given as 0.8 meters per square second. And v, the velocity, is equal to 72 kilometers per hour. So we'll convert this to SI units, and we get this to be 20 meters per second. So those are our known values. So we can rearrange this equation, and we can solve for rho. And we get 0.8 meters per square second is equal to 20 meters per second all squared divided by this radius rho, and rearranging we get this radius rho to be 20 meters per second all squared divided by 0.8 meters per square second, which gives us the radius of the highway rho to be 500 meters.